Hi all and welcome back to Excel Basics Plus. In today's session we're going to be looking at the if and the and nested function. The and function provides for variables which must be true to provide the result. So to put it into basics for the sports team's detail that we've got here in front of us, we want to look at who is in the East location, is greater than 18 years old, and is a cricketer. So how do we do that? Well, we need to tell Excel that, hey, there's three forms of data here, and we want you to tell us, out of those three pieces of data, who, Abigail, Adelaide, so on, who is a yes to being over 18, a yes to being in the East, and a yes to being a cricketer. So we'll start the formula. Simple equals if, open bracket. We use the AND function. The AND function is telling Excel, so AND open bracket, the AND function is telling Excel these are the logical criteria that we want you to come back on, and if it's true that yes, these criteria are all met, then the answer will be whatever we put in, and we'll put in yes as the result. And if it's not true, we either have it as no or blank or whatever we want. So the first piece is that we want them to be from the East location. So we need to say here G4, which is that one there, must equal East in parentheses because we're using the text. So that's the first piece. G4 must equal East. The next piece is they must be greater than 18 years old. So comma, next piece of logical criteria. So we've got it here that if the person is under 18, then the answer is yes. If they're over 18, the answer is no. So our logical criteria here is that we say that cell F4 must equal, in parentheses, no. So far we're saying, okay, cell G4, the location must be East, and cell F4 must be a no. The last piece is that they must be a cricketer. So you guessed it, comma, and we're saying that H4 equals, and in parentheses, cricket. Parentheses. Now we're going to close the AND bracket. So we've just closed the AND formula piece. There are the three logical criteria within that AND piece. So now we come back to a standard if formula. So if this, which is those three pieces of criteria, then, so comma, and we want it to return a yes. So we put yes in parentheses. The other side to it is if that criteria logic is not correct, what do we put? Well, in this case, let's choose no. So we comma no for the next piece of that formula. And let's close the bracket. That's closing the if formula. And we're going to hit enter. Straight away, you can see that, is he over 18? Yes. Is he in the East? Yes. Does he play cricket? Yes. And apologies, it's she, Abigail. So we'll double click from the corner to pull that formula the whole way down. We now have a list of people that are within that three criteria that we've specified. So that's it for today. That was just a short one, just to show you the if and and formula. Have more practice, have a play around with that formula, change the words around as to what you want. Remember, two parentheses side by side instead of no will give you a blank result. And you can also change these around however you want it. You could even put in there, instead of using the no for being over 18, you could even put in here if that cell, which is E4, is greater than 18, for instance, that's part of your AND logical criteria. Have fun with it. Look out for the next video. Thanks.